In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review literature with Manus AI. If you're working on a research project or a class paper and need to quickly understand what the literature says, Manus AI can help you go from a stack of PDFs to a clear synthesis in minutes. I'll walk you through the exact flow, add context for each action, and share a few tips to get better results without adding any extra steps. First, open the Manus app in your browser. Once you're in, you should see your workspace. Make sure the papers you want to analyze are saved on your computer and clearly named, because that will make selection easier in a moment. A stable internet connection helps since you'll be uploading files and receiving AI-generated outputs. Next, look for the plus icon to start something new. It typically sits near the area where you manage projects or chats. Clicking the plus tells Manus you want to create a new session for this literature review, keeping your sources and conversation organized in one place. Now, choose Add from Local Files. This is where you bring in the papers you want Manus to review, such as PDFs. Select the files relevant to your topic: primary studies, key reviews, or conference papers. If you're mixing older and newer sources, include a representative spread so the AI can capture trends over time. As a general tip, avoid uploading confidential or proprietary documents unless you're comfortable with how they'll be handled, and prefer clean, searchable PDFs so the text can be parsed accurately. With your files in, type your prompt. This is where clarity pays off. Tell Manus exactly what you need: the topic or question, the scope or date range you care about, any methods you want emphasized, and what kind of output you expect, such as a concise synthesis, major themes, methodological comparisons, contradictions and findings, gaps for future work, and practical implications. You can also ask for properly formatted citations or a short reading list ranked by relevance. The more specific you are about audience and depth, the more on target the response will be. Finally, click Send. Manus will read your uploaded papers and generate a structured review based on your prompt. Give it a moment to process, then scan the output for accuracy, cited claims, and alignment with your goals. If something's missing or too broad, refine your prompt within the same session to tighten focus, request clearer sections, or ask for a brief summary upfront followed by details. That's the whole flow. Go to the app, hit the plus, add from local files, write a focused prompt, and send. Follow along with your own papers, and you'll have a solid literature review ready to build on.